Crafts by 3 Sisters. Today we are showing you guys how to make this beautiful bird wall art using newspaper and party streamers. And the technique we are using is inspired by Red Ted Art when she made these beautiful newspaper flowers, which we also use to make our new background. And we'll put a link to her video in the description box below. And if you're new to our channel, hi, I'm Riley. I'm Reese. And I'm Grit. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the thumbs up. For more videos in the future, make sure to click that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we post a new video. What are you doing? Looking beautiful. In our wall art, we feature a bird. We are offering to you guys a template that you can download for free. The bird and the wings. So you want to go to our website, and we'll put a link in the description box below to download the free bird template. Now on to the video.
And the things you'll be needing for this craft are
Newspaper and canvas. Any size you want. Mod Podge, acrylic paint, but you can also use watercolors. Paint brushes, party streamers, any color.
one bird template available for free if you go to our website at kidscraftsby3sisters.com.
And buttons.
So let's get started.
So the first step is to put Mod Podge on your canvas. And then you're going to put your newspaper onto your canvas. This technique also works for a used canvas. If you have a canvas in your house that is already painted, you can recycle it by using this technique. Now Riley will show you how to paint the background. The first thing I'm going to do is dip my paintbrush in a little bit of water, and this will thin out your paint. These strokes really make me feel like Bob Ross. Now I'm going to add some clouds. Such a fluffy little cloud. Okay. I guess Bob Ross didn't find that funny. Ooh. All right, everybody, so I'm back from my spill, so I'm just adding a little more dark blue. And now Grace is going to show you guys how to make the branch. Now I'm going to show you how to make the tree branch for your bird. All you need is party streamers, but even you can use napkins and twist them off or anything else. Now, all you have to do is twist the party streamer, and then you will Mod Podge it onto the canvas, then we'll paint it brown. Now I know where I want my branch, and I'm going to Mod Podge it down. And I put a coat of Mod Podge over my big branch because it will dry clear, and I'm going to do the same with the little branch. Now I'm going to put the brown paint over. You can do 2 coats if you'd like. Now Reese is going to come back and start the bird and the flowers. The next step you're going to do is take the template that you can download on our website, or you can draw your own, and trace it on your newspaper. And you're going to do the same thing with the wing, but do 4 of them. Now I'm going to paint them. I'm going to use a big brush for my body and a smaller brush for my wing. And you don't have to worry about going outside it, just make sure you don't get your wings because you're going to cut it out. Now I'm going to use this thinner brush. For the wings, you want to try and do different shades of pink. This is a neon pink. And it's up to you, but I like the way that my print comes through my paint. A red. A light pink. And I blended this pink. And a little bit. That dry and I'll be back. Now they're all dry and I'm going to cut them out. There's my body. So now I'm going to draw my legs with a Sharpie. And I'm going to make the legs come over the branch. Now it's time to paint it green. Now it's time to put my flowers on. Today I'm using these cute little flower buttons we picked up from Michael's. Now with my black marker, I'm going to draw the petals. And now with my black marker, I'm going to outline my bird. At this point, you're free to do whatever you want. You can add more flowers as you like, or you can add cool looking stamps. If you like this spring craft a lot, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the thumbs up. For more videos in the future, hit that bell to become part of our crafting caravan. Bye! See you next week! Bye!